Today we're really excited about the launch of Sencha Touch 2. It's a brand new version of our mobile framework that really helps developers take the most out of the mobile web.
A lot of people are starting to realize that using HTML5 over native really pays dividends.
Our technology is based completely on HTML5. We're leveraging everything HTML5 has to offer.
And Sencha Touch 2 is the cornerstone of the Sencha HTML5 platform.
The biggest thing about Sencha Touch 2 is delivering amazing user experiences. Whether it's scrolling or animation or just even laying out and rendering, it's so much faster. Well, the crucial thing about web apps is that they work on many, many devices, because cumulatively there are hundreds of millions of these devices around the world, and no one platform can reach them all. That's the power of the web.
Sencha Touch 2 really enables developers to write once and run on so many platforms with so little effort.
When you're creating a Sencha Touch application now, you're really investing in an app that's going to work better across devices in the future.
One of the ones that we just saw launch very recently was an application about IGN, the gaming network. And it's got leaderboards and examples and lets you find a really rich information about games. This is an example of where the bar is for building rich web applications.
So one of the apps that I developed was the Watchlist app, which is basically, it enables you to share your favorite movies with your friends on Facebook. So it integrates with the Facebook API on the server side, and it will share the movies that you want to watch, that you've watched with your friends.
Probably my favorite one is the Jog with Friends app, which lets you go out for a run and mark it on Facebook and share with your friends right there from your mobile phone in a web app.
It's so easy to build an application. It literally takes you minutes to get started.
Once you've downloaded Sencha Touch 2, there's a documentation that comes in the actual SDK. It's literally a case of opening that up in your browser, and there's a lot of inline examples, guides, videos, everything you need to get started.
It's amazing what developers can do when you give them the tools to unleash their creativity.
We try to make it as easy as possible to pick up and use the framework.
Sencha Touch 2 ships alongside the SDK tools, which enable you to run just 2 commands on the command line and package your application for both Android and iOS native app stores. It's really easy.
It's definitely opening up the app market to web developers because they don't have to learn a whole new programming language in order to do the job that they've been doing for years.
I think we definitely delivered on the ease of use and power of Sencha Touch. Definitely, yeah.
This is the future. The web platform is the future for applications.